So I've been wanting to try these two fragrances for a while now, and I'm so glad that today I finally get to do an unboxing and first impressions video. What's up, you guys? This is your wing lady, and I'm back today with another beautiful video. Hi guys, how are you doing? I hope you're doing well. Wing lady is doing great. So today I have Maison Alhambra Sensual Vanilla and 9 p.m. Rebel from the house of Afnan. Now these two fragrances, I've been wanting to get my hands on them for a good while. So today I finally have them, and I can't wait to tear into them. The first one, I'm super excited about this one because it apparently smells like Tom Ford's Vanilla Sex. And that fragrance I've heard is super sensual, super seductive, super everything. So if I don't have access to Tom Ford's Vanilla Sex, at least I have access to Maison Alhambra Sensual Vanilla. And today we get to unbox this fragrance together. You know, they are just like the Tom Ford's bottles. I mean, the packaging is literally, it's the same. I really hope this smells good because you guys, this year, not this year, we're in 2025. Last year, I was introduced to a lot of vanilla fragrances. Vanilla done in so many different ways. And I find myself gravitating towards vanilla fragrances now. Is everything okay with me? Am I still okay? Am I joining the vanilla stands? No, I'm a baby girl. I'm a fruity, sweet kind of girl. I'm not a vanilla lady. What is going on? Help me. She looks good. She looks stunning. Yeah, absolutely beautiful. Okay. I really hope she smells good. I have no idea. I'm literally smelling this blind. I have no idea how this is going to smell. I'm just praying and hoping it smells good. The atomizer is nothing to write home about. The atomizer is poor. Poor atomizer. The alcohol. Ooh, it's a bit intense on the alcohol. Oh, this smells like one of my favorite fragrances. That smoky, spiced vanilla. Creamy, floral, a bit lactonic, spicy vanilla fragrance. This is not a yummy, sweet, creamy, fluffy vanilla. This is deep, rich, intense, spicy, and green, and floral. Like it has jasmine and iris in here. I should find the notes and leave it on the screen. The more it dries down, the bitter it gets. If you spray it first, you know, that initial smell was sweet and nice. But as it's drying down, it's smelling deeper, richer, green, earthy. Not even woody, earthy. I was wrong. I don't think it's, I'm not sure. I don't like it. This might transform with maceration. I'm really hoping it gets better with maceration. But right now, I'm not digging this as much as I thought I would dig it. Why do you do this to me? I get so excited about the fragrance and I'm like, I'm gonna love it. It's gonna be the best fragrance ever. And then I smell it and I'm like, oh no. I'm going to leave it to macerate. I will come back in a month or two. I will leave it for maceration and I will come back with an updated review. Right now, it's not all that. It's even triggering a headache, which is sad because I really wanted to like it. The amber in here is intense. It's extremely spicy and ambery and warm and green and earthy. So that might macerate into something beautiful, or it might just remain scattered like that. And let's unbox the next one. This is 9 p.m. Rebel from the house of Afnan. Now, frankly, I have heard that this smells like Haid Al Fossan, the black one. I liked that fragrance. Yeah, I loved it. Yep, it was a really good fragrance when I had it in my collection. But I feel like it's more suited to men because of the woodsy and spicy notes in there. However, this one, I am hoping that Afnan 9 p.m. Rebel actually smells better. It's more tolerable. lasts longer, and overall it's just better than Kaidal for Sun. Please just be better. Okay, opens up like, oh, gorgeous. She's gorgeous. Hello, hello, you are gorgeous. Guys, oh my god, this is luxurious and gorgeous. Luxurious and gorgeous. Oh, she's so pretty. The red, you guys, the red is doing a thing to me. The red is doing a thing. Okay. Pray that this smells good. Pray that this turns out amazing. Atomizer is not bad. I can smell the pineapple outrightly. This is gonna layer so well with my fruity scents. Oh, okay, so it's fresh. It's sweet, it's fresh, it's juicy. It's a bit woodsy in the background. I can smell the woods and a bit of musk. I'm going to find the notes and leave that on the screen. Oh, there are the woods. There's the wood. Oh. Okay. So this is fresh. This is floral. This is sweet. This is pineapple-y. This is woodsy. It's like a mass perfume that was dashed with florals and fruits. The pineapple being the major fruit in here. It's like a juicy, ripe, pineapple. Yellow, very fresh, juicy, burst in your mouth kind of pineapple fragrance. Then it's also a bit spicy and the woods are coming through. One thing I appreciate about this fragrance is how smooth it is. It is actually smooth. The notes are not fighting with each other. There's nothing going haywire in here. They're all just blending and meshing so well together. You guys. It's giving me the tingly feeling. Yeah. Okay, yeah. I don't know why this is marketed for men. I don't know why. A lady can pull this off beautifully. Ladies, if you're looking for a scent that you can use as a, a base, a background for your fruity florals, get this. It's fresh though. It's fresh. It's pineapple. Oh, I get that pineapple is so ripe. Oh my god, I'm craving pineapple right now. The pineapple is so ripe and fresh and juicy. And I think this is going to last long. I just have that impression. Of course, I'm going to come back with a full review. But so far, I like this. I like it. It's fresh, it's sweet, it's pineapple, it's woodsy. It has a good dose of florals in there. I think it's pretty unisex. Men can pull this off and women can definitely pull this off as well. Of course, I'll be back with an updated review, performance, projection, everything in between. Thank you so much for watching this video until the very end. If you enjoyed it, please like it. Then subscribe to my channel for more of me. And until next time, you guys, I love you so much. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Ciao.